Hi friends, this is Jack. Today we are going to learn how to make addition and subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And we're going to start with addition. It's easy.
5 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That means it is
10. 9 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14.
You think that's a bit too easy?
Plus 4.
Let's find a difficult one. Woohoo!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
From the left.
8 plus 4 equals 12. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 8. 7 minus 4 equals 6, 5, 3.
This
1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4.
10 minus what equals 2? It's 8.
1, 2.
8.
10 minus 8 equals 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7.